Fans are one of the most important components in HVAC systems. Without fans, air cannot move, and heating or cooling cannot be delivered to the space. Many beginners think all fans are the same, but in reality, there are different types of fans used for different purposes. In this guide, we will explain all major HVAC fan types in simple language, including how they work, where they are used, and their advantages and disadvantages. What is an HVAC fan? An HVAC fan is a mechanical device used to move air through ducts, coils, filters, and rooms. It helps in air circulation, ventilation, and heat transfer. Fans are used in many HVAC components such as air handling units, AHU, fan coil units, FCU, exhaust systems, ventilation systems. The performance of an HVAC system depends heavily on the type and efficiency of the fan. Main categories of HVAC fans. HVAC fans are mainly divided into two major categories. 1. Axial fans. 2. Centrifugal fans. Each type works differently and is used in different situations. Axial fans. Simple airflow, low pressure. Axial fans move air in a straight line, parallel to the fan shaft. These fans look like propellers and are commonly used where large airflow is needed, but pressure is low. Where they are used: outdoor condenser units, ventilation systems, exhaust fans. Advantages: simple design, low cost, high airflow. Disadvantages: cannot handle high pressure, not suitable for long duct systems. Types of axial fans. A. Propeller fan. This is the most basic type. It is used in open areas like wall-mounted exhaust fans. B. Tube axial fan. It is placed inside a tube or duct to improve airflow direction. C. Vane axial fan. It has guide vanes that improve efficiency and pressure performance. Centrifugal fans, high pressure duct systems. Centrifugal fans move air at a right angle, 90 degrees, to the fan shaft. These fans are used when air needs to move through ducts with resistance. Where they are used: AHUs, FCUs, duct systems, industrial HVAC. Advantages: can handle high pressure, suitable for long ducts, more efficient in complex systems. Disadvantages: larger size, higher cost compared to axial fans. Types of centrifugal fans. 1. Forward curved fan, low noise, low pressure. These fans have blades curved in the direction of rotation. They are commonly used in small systems like FCUs. Use: residential HVAC systems. Feature: quiet operation. 2. Backward curved fan, high efficiency. These fans have blades curved opposite to the direction of rotation. They are more efficient and consume less power. Use: AHUs and commercial systems. Feature: energy efficient. 3. Radial fan, heavy duty. These fans have straight blades and are used in tough environments. Use: industrial HVAC, dusty air systems. Blower fans in HVAC. Blowers are a type of centrifugal fan used mainly in indoor units. They are responsible for pushing air through ducts and into rooms. Common types: squirrel cage blower, direct drive blower. Blowers are very important for proper air distribution. Fan performance factors. When selecting a fan, engineers consider airflow, CFM, how much air is moved, static pressure, resistance in ducts, efficiency, energy consumption, noise level. Choosing the wrong fan can reduce system performance. Difference between axial and centrifugal fans. Axial fans are best for high airflow and low resistance, while centrifugal fans are better for high pressure and duct systems. In simple words, axial equals airflow, centrifugal equals pressure. Applications in real HVAC systems. In a typical AC system, outdoor unit uses axial fan. Indoor unit uses centrifugal blower. In large buildings, AHU uses centrifugal fans. Exhaust systems may use axial fans. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners make these mistakes. Using axial fan in high-pressure duct system. Ignoring static pressure. Selecting fan based only on size, not performance. Always choose fan based on system requirements. Conclusion. HVAC fans are essential for air movement and system performance. Understanding different fan types helps you design better systems and troubleshoot problems effectively. Axial fans are simple and used for airflow, while centrifugal fans are powerful and used for pressure systems. By selecting the right fan, you can improve efficiency, comfort, and system life. With practice and experience, you'll be able to identify and use the correct fan for every HVAC application.
Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking the time. See you next time.